You lot thought we only sold cleaning machines. We repair them too. Let's check out some of today's. First biggie today is a massive Bowser pressure washer for a local authority that needed a new fuel pump for the burner. Next up was a Hyundai pressure washer. This had various leaks, which are all sorted and is now back with the customer. Then we had this Karcher HDS professional machine that needed a new pressure gauge and a quick service. Then it was on to a quick blade change on a lawnmower, before diagnosing a faulty pump on a multi-wash machine, before stripping down this Honda GX390 for a full rebuild. And the last job of the day is to diagnose a faulty magma heater. Got a cleaning machine that needs a repair or a service? Contact the team on the phone number or book on the website.